Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded, ready to go. This is the Mirage Hotel where I stayed in Srinagar, very nice. They gave me a really big discount because it's off season. But today we're heading towards Amritsar, which is the border town for Pakistan. But it'll take us a 2 or 3 days to get there. In no hurry. Maybe Jammu today, but we'll see how we go. Bye my friend. And away we go guys. There's 5 hours and 42 minutes to Jammu, so I'm not sure we'll get there today. But anyway, we'll be in Pakistan by the end of the week. Army roadblock here. Razor wire crossing the road, so we can't go. I don't know what's happening, but there's army everywhere guys, like all along the road, soldiers. Really, this is the reason why we're stopped, because this convoy's coming past. Once they're gone, we can get some more miles up. Bit boring today guys, just this highway all the way, bit of traffic, but I've had such beautiful roads this last couple of weeks. Here why, but this row of trucks has gone for kilometres behind me. It's continuing on for kilometres ahead of me. So us, the 3 bikes, we're trying to get past this guy in the blue car here. So he's turned this way, purposely to stop us. And hopefully up ahead, by the looks, might get a bit more mountain riding. Yeehaw! I am excited. We're going into a tunnel. That's how long this one is. That was about 11 Google Maps minutes at 50 kilometres an hour, and just roughly in my head that must be 12-13 kilometres long, that tunnel. Amazing. Well guys, I've got the 2 hour sore butt, so I stopped with these guys to have a cup of chai. Oh, my butt is sore, but that's the 2 hours. I've just got to get through this and I'll be alright for the rest of the day. This is where I stopped for chai. He wants me to put his restaurant on there, so that's alright. It is one of the best chais I've had in India. Very, very good. I'm actually having a second one. And this is the owner.
Veg and non-veg are available.
Veg or non-veg?
This is non-veg?
Yes.
Veg.
Okay. Guys, get there. Here there'll be another tunnel. Bypass the bits that I'm about to do around the mountain. I got my wish, more mountain riding. Very different from the last week or so, but just beautiful. Heaps of road construction happening, so it won't be long before this will all be beautiful roads. Bridges and tunnels being built everywhere. So boring, it's not boring anymore. Look where I am. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a big waterfall over there. Unbelievable. Guys, look at this monkey here. Oh, it's one of those proboscis nose ones. Oh no, it's not, he's just got something in his mouth. Here we are in Jammu. We're about halfway to Amritsar, which is the border for the only border that foreigners can cross into Pakistan. Now I'm just looking for some food. I've already had some pani puri, as you can imagine. It's all vegetarian near my hotel, so I'm trying to find some non-veg somewhere. Morning, guys. On the road. I didn't do my normal good morning at the hotel because it was a dump. And you know I made the decision on this channel never to badmouth a hotel. Well, guys, the Leroy, I'll spell it here, Leroy Hotel. It's right next to the train station at Jammu, so you might be tempted to spend that 30 US because you've been on a long train ride. Don't, guys. The whole place smelt like piss, like all the corridors, the rooms, everything smelt like piss. Their card machine doesn't work, so the key card for the doors didn't work, guys. So every time I left the room, I had to get someone to come and let me in with their MasterCard. And it was breakfast included, but this morning they chased me out of the restaurant trying to get more money off me for breakfast. It was just terrible, guys. Oh, and I ordered food last night that never arrived. The Leroy Hotel. Do not stay there. Worst place I've ever stayed in the world. Now, if it had been 10 or 15 or $20 US, then maybe I would have put up with it. But for 30, 35 US, it was meant to be 35, but I talked them down to 30. Just shit hotel. In India, just following other motorbikes. I followed it into a dead end, so I've got to go back around this truck, go the other side here. Sorry I haven't been talking much today, but that hotel last night really got me in not the best mood. Just terrible. Oh, I don't have to go back around the truck, I can go this way. No one's coming. Well, I couldn't catch this bridge because it's falling down. These guys from the army bus ran over to stop me, but they've told me where there's another bridge. So let's go and hope that we can get across this river. Thank you, my friends. One of the guys off that bus borrowed his mate's motorbike who was going past, and he's taken me to this road. So let's hope, guys. I might have added an hour to my day, but look where I'm riding instead of on those highways. Still everywhere I go, Google Maps turns me back, so I'm going back to where I started at the river crossing. I'm hoping eventually she's going to tell me the other way to go. Okay, so this looks like a busy main road. I think we might have done it, guys. Yeehaw. And there's a lot of traffic, so I'm sure this is the way everyone's been going. Thank fuck for that, because there was no way, guys, I was getting over that river crossing. Well, that took about half an hour, and the river crossing's just there, so I want to say, the guys that were on the bridge, I hope you're watching this, because thank you. There was no way I was getting across that river crossing, and I didn't want to do this on helmet cam. I wanted to look you in the eye and say thank you. And we've had a very rough morning, and there's no coolant on the ground, so I'm happy. Well, we made it to Amritsar. This is the town here. This is my hotel behind me. Sorry guys, but I can't pronounce the name to save my life. But I will show you more of this in the next video. Another one of those specials from Agoda. Got it quite cheap. Beautiful hotel, guys. Really, really nice. Now, sorry this was a little bit boring, but it was just a boring 2-lane highway most of the way, except for that river crossing. Wow, that stressed me out. Sorry about the language, guys, but I really, really was stressed. I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.